Oh, I just had a nice bite. I have a fish immediately. I have a fish. No, I don't have a fish. Hi guys, so today we are on a Trout river and yeah, we'll be fishing session together with my friend Denise. And yeah, let's see what we will find in this small river. So guys, here's the lure. I think it's like around 3 grams. Quite bright, so I start with bright one. Ага. First fish.
Ні, щось широке. То коротше, слухай, то коротше сидить цей. То сидить, це не поплей. Щось широке дуже. Піранія. Що падає? Захребе. Гарна рибка. Це густіра. Зразу буде там щось десь широко. Густірочка. Очки знає щастя. Блін, красива риба, що не?
Угу. Oh, just had a bite. Just had a bite. Oh, I just had a nice bite. Fish on. Fish on. No, it's a chub. Chub, головоль. Nice one. I think around 300 grams. Huh? Nice. Let's make a quick photo and release it. Actually, it's illegal to release chub here on a Trout river, but this place, it has a lot of such fish, so it doesn't make sense to take all of them. And yeah, we just release it. You had a bite? I have a fish immediately. And this one is bigger. Look. this one is bigger. Today is not trout fishing, it's chub fishing. Look. Immediately just after the lure fall. Look. Dan said that he saw snake. Let's release the fish quickly. Some swans. Dan, they like wobblers in autumn, not in summer. In summer it should be bug, like imitation of some bug. Hmm? Yeah, like some mosquito. You try to imitate fish. You try to imitate fish with wobbler, but they don't want fish right now. They want bugs. Like they want some жучок. Жучок. Yes, they want жучок. This place is close to big river, so a lot of chub are here. Water is slower, and chub like these places. I have a fish. No, I don't have a fish. Yes, I just had a bite. Dan is trying to choose between deep water and snakes in the grass. So it's not easy choice for him. Dan was already here, so I think they want to fish for him. Guys, we decided to change the place because at previous place there were no fish almost at all, only chubs and not a lot. So we decided to change place. Oh yeah, I just had the fish.
Що?
Just right here I had fish.
Бо я думаю, якась гадана поле. О, ой, ой, доганяй, доганяй, бум, бум, бум. Ви? Ні? Два камні, між камнями є маленький корчик, бачите, торчить? А вона ж випрыгнула звідти. Пішов доганяти.
Then just had a bite. Today is quite difficult to catch something. Oh Yes, fish on, fish on. Fish on. Small brown. Let's quickly release it. So guys, today fishing session is over and it was pretty difficult. We changed to places, water is dirty and the weather is changing, and yeah, I had 2 chubs and some small brown, then had 1 nice brown trout and also some chubs. So thank you for watching this video, subscribe, put your comments, and you can put your questions if you want. I will be always happy to answer.